Okay, in this video, I'm explaining about SAP ERP Enhanced Package. So SAP ERP Enhanced Package releases and everything we want to know. So here, in SAP ERP Enhanced Package, it is one of the SAP software. SAP ERP Enhanced Package is one of the SAP software. SAP ERP Enhanced Package is one of the SAP software. Is one of the SAP software, SAP ERP Enhanced Package. And it is enterprise management software. Like SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP also enterprise management software. SAP ERP Enhanced Package. Enhanced Package is enterprise management software. Enterprise management. So it is also business developing software, SAP ERP. So SAP ERP Enhanced Package is one of the SAP software. It is the name of the software. SAP ERP Enhanced Package is the name of the SAP software. It is the name of the SAP software. So enhancement package, SAP ERP Enhanced Package is the name of the SAP software. Okay, product. Okay, now what are the versions is available? First version is EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. That is the first version. Now we see SAP ERP Enhanced Package releases. Okay, now we want to see what are the versions is available. Okay, now first version is the release. This one, EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. That is the first version. So we called as EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0, or otherwise we called as SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. Like that also we called. So we called as EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP full form is Enhancement Package. We call like this also, SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. Like that also. Or otherwise we call like this also, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP1. Like this also we called. Okay, in which year it is released? In 2006-2025, last year is completed. 2006 it is released, 2025. Now this version is not available. It is dead. This version is dead. It is not available. That means nowadays it is not possible to install. Next, which version they release? EHP 2. Enhancement Package 2. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 2. So in which year it is released? In 2007, same 2025, 2007. This one also is dead. That one also is dead. Okay, next, EHP 3. Okay, now we see EHP 3 when they release. 2008-2025. This one also is dead. 2008-2025. That one also is dead. Next, which one they release? EHP 4. In which year it is released? 2009, 2025. That one also is dead. 2009, 2025. Next, which one they release? EHP 5. EHP 5. (2011, 2025). That one also is dead. 2011. That one also is dead. Next, EHP 6. EHP 6. In which year it is released? EHP 6. 2012, 2027. 2012, 2027. This one is not dead. That means now we want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6 means it's possible. Software is available. It is not dead. And here extended maintenance also is the 2030. Extended maintenance means I already told. So now up to 2027, we want to do anything in this, suppose in company, I installed SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6. So this year we installed. So we are applying patches, we are doing everything, business developing everything. So up to this year. After 2027 is completed, when we enter into the 2028 year, it is possible to use this product version in company server, but here we are in extended maintenance period. After 2028, when we enter into the 2028, now it is called as extended maintenance. Extended maintenance means we want to do any activity, means we want to pay some amount. So that means 2030 actually. So after 2027 is completed, means when we enter into the 2028 year, on that year onwards, we want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6 means it's not possible to install. It is not possible to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6. Okay, that means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6 is available. Next, EHP 7. EHP 7. This is the previous version. This is the previous version, 2013, 27, 2013. 2013. 2027, 2030. Now, latest one. Latest one is EHP 8. Latest one is EHP 8. In 2016, it is released. EHP 8 is the latest one. In 2016, same details, 2027, 2030. EHP 8 is the latest version. Okay, 2016. This is latest and last version also. In this product, that is the last version. In 2016, it is released. After 2016 onwards, they did not release anything. Why? Because they released SAP S/4HANA. SAP ERP only, SAP S/4HANA. They changed the name. SAP ERP name only, they changed the name SAP S/4HANA. That's why only when they release SAP S/4HANA, on that time onwards, they did not release any version. This version is dead. When? After 2027 is completed, this version is dead. So now in SAP ERP enhancement package, enhanced package, this all versions is dead. This all versions is dead. In SAP ERP enhanced package, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 versions is dead last year. Only these 3 versions only is available. Now we want to use SAP ERP enhanced package means only these 3 versions only is available. Remaining all versions is dead. These 3 versions only is available to install. So clearly here I'm telling, after when we enter into the 2028 year onwards, it is not possible to install SAP ERP enhanced package software. After 2030 year is completed. So there is no SAP ERP enhanced software in the market. It is total dead. And that this product will be dead. And that this product will be dead after 2030 year is completed. After 2030 year is completed, when we enter into the 2031, in company, it is possible to use only SAP S4HANA only. Here also, like SAP S4HANA, here also, by using SAP ERP enhanced package, we are installing SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP enhanced package, we are installing SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is the name of the SAP system. SAP ECC is the name of the SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ECC is ABAP-based SAP system. So, SAP ECC system only changed as SAP S4HANA server system. SAP ECC system. SAP ECC latest name is SAP S4HANA server. So SAP ECC latest name only SAP S4HANA server. SAP ECC is ABAP based SAP system. SAP ERP enhanced package is supported for installing ABAP based SAP system. SAP ERP supported, SAP ERP enhanced package supported for installing ABAP based SAP system. SAP ERP enhanced package is not supported for installing Java based SAP system. SAP ERP enhanced package not supported for installing Java based SAP system. SAP ERP enhanced package supported for installing ABAP based SAP system only. That means by using SAP ERP, it is possible to install only SAP ECC system only. So in company, we want to install SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP. Nowadays, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 6, EHP 7, EHP 8. These 3 versions only is available for installing SAP ECC system. So these 3 versions only is available for installing SAP ECC system. Okay, I already told it is enterprise management software. Enterprise management software means it is supported for installing ideas. Enterprise management software is supported. Enterprise management software. So enterprise management software is supported for installing ideas and non-ideas. So it is supported for installing IDS system and non-IDS system. I show that one also. SAP ERP enhanced package, EHP6, EHP7, EHP8. Okay, I click EHP8. Only that 3 versions only. Here we saw IDS version. We want to install EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 IDS means click this one. So we got here IDS software. So it is also released this software on 2018. After they did not release any version. Okay, so non-IDS means same here. Here we click this one, installation and upgrade. Non-IDS. So same here. Functional users logged into the IDS system. IDS already it is developed. Inside IDS, business data is available. In non-IDS, business data is not available. That's only difference. In IDS system is it is already built everything. Business entire for business supporting software, everything will be built in IDS. In non-IDS, they did not build any business data. Okay, so enterprise management software is supported for installing IDS and non-IDS. In company, functional models, they logged into the SAP ERP IDS system and SAP S/4HANA IDS system. In these two systems only, functional users log into the company server. Okay. So SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. Okay, now we see, we go to maintenance planner. I show the systems. Explorer systems. Okay, here, okay, system ID. I type the system ID. You go to EHP6. EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. Here also we saw SAP underscore basis. SAP underscore basis 731 release. It is 731 release. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 release is 731. 731. Here in our system we see this is NetWeaver. I tell this one also now. Okay, we go to now SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7. EHP 7. EHP 7 for SAP ERP 6.0. $740 release. Okay, it is $740 release. $740. Now, final latest one, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 release. Finally, EHP 8. EHP 8 for SAP ERP 6.0. Here, so many software components is there. Here we saw. 750 release. 750 release. So here, what I'm telling is here we are using SAP NetWeaver. No, this is SAP NetWeaver. SAP NetWeaver, only 6 software components is there, but in SAP ERP, so many is there. Here, like 130, 150, like that is there. Here, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP release is 750. Here we saw NetWeaver 7.5 release also 750. Both are same only. That's why we practice in SAP ERP or we practice in SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So in resume, we mentioned both softwares we practice like that. Okay, now we got it about this one. Okay, releases, we got it clearly. Now, already we know it is supported for installing ABAP-based SAP system only. Okay, we go home. Plan. Okay, we go past EHP 8. Here we saw when we install SAP ERP enhanced package, we got central applications means ECC. Central applications, SAP ECC system. I told you no, by using SAP ERP, we install SAP ECC system. It is ABAP based SAP system. Okay, here what we are installing? Central applications EHP 8 for SAP ERP 6.0 central applications. Okay, so SAP ERP 6.0, SAP ERP 6.0, SAP ECC server, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also will be installed in this one. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So in SAP NetWeaver 7.5, application server ABAP. Application server ABAP. So we want to practice this one means we required 1 TB hard disk and 8 GB RAM is required. We want to practice this one means we required 1 TB hard disk and 8 GB RAM. So here, for installing SAP ERP enhanced package, we got central applications, SAP ECC server, and SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Here we are installing EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 and SAP ERP 6.0 and SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So here NetWeaver 7.5 is there for EHP. For EHP 7 means NetWeaver 7.4. EHP 7 means NetWeaver 7.4. Okay, NetWeaver 7.4 for EHP 7. For EHP 6, SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP 3. SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP 3. So this is the big system. SAP ERP is big system. Why means NetWeaver also is available there. So that's okay. So this is the minimum requirement to practice this one in your personal laptop. So you want to practice SAP basis training means this 3 versions only is available in company server also. We want to install and build business means this 3 product versions only is available. It is supported for installing IDs and non-IDs. These releases are 731 release is there, 740 release is there, 750 release is there. So we have time. When we enter into the 2028 year, on that time onwards, it is not possible to install these product versions also. So after when we enter into the 2028 year onwards, that product versions is not available. So here, for installing SAP ERP also, we required SAP kernel software. SAP kernel software we required. Already we know kernel, 2 types is there. Unicode kernel software. Unicode kernel software is there. Non-Unicode kernel software is there. 2 types of kernel softwares is there. Unicode kernel software is there. Non-Unicode kernel software is there. So I already told non-Unicode kernel software is supported 740 and lower releases. Okay. So first of all, these 3 versions only is there, no? Now we want to see which kernel versions is supported. So first of all, we go to SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. It is 731. That means non-Unicode kernel software is supported and Unicode kernel software also is supported. Now we see which kernel is supported. Here we saw, these are the kernel versions is supported. SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit. SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit. SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit. Here UC is mentioned. Here same SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit. Same name, but here UC is mentioned. Here UC is not mentioned. That means this is non-Unicode kernel. Here UC is mentioned. That is Unicode. SAP kernel 722 EX2. That is non-Unicode. SAP kernel 722 ES2 Unicode kernel. SAP kernel 722 EX3 non-Unicode. SAP kernel 722 EX3 Unicode. So these are the kernel versions it supported. Okay, these are the kernel version. SAP kernel 722 Unicode, non-Unicode. SAP kernel 722 EST, this one, ES2, ES3, Unicode, non-Unicode. So mostly SAP recommended we want to use Unicode kernel only. Don't use non-Unicode kernel. SAP recommended that one only. So that's why nowadays we are not using non-Unicode kernel software. We are using kernel software for installing any SAP system. So that's why they're telling we are installing SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 means we use Unicode kernel software only. We are installing SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 means we use UC kernel only. Nowadays we are installing SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 or EHP7 or EHP8, we use a Unicode kernel only. EHP7, EHP6, and EHP7. We use Unicode kernel only nowadays. Okay, now 740. We want to know 740. Same 740. I already told. Up to 740 release, non-Unicode kernel is supported. That means 740 also non-Unicode kernel is supported. Okay, SAP kernel 753 version 64-bit. SAP kernel 753 64-bit. They did not mention UC. That means this is non-Unicode kernel. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode. That is the Unicode kernel. SAP kernel 754 64-bit. They did not mention. That means that is non-Unicode kernel. SAP kernel 754 64-bit. So that means two kernel versions is available. One is SAP kernel 754, 753. Two kernel versions is available. Unicode, non-Unicode, both is supported. Both is supported. I already told SAP always recommended we use Unicode kernel only. Don't use non-Unicode kernel. Now, final version we want to see. Here, Unicode kernel only it is supported. Why means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 is 750 release. From 750 release onwards, non-Unicode kernel software is not supported. So, from 750 release onwards, NUC kernel software is not supported for installing SAP system. That's the meaning. So from 750 release onwards, so NUC kernel software not supported for installing SAP system. So up to 740 and lower releases only, non-Unicode kernel software is supported. From 750 release onwards, non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing SAP ECC system. So nowadays in company compulsory we use SAP ECC system. Nowadays we want to install SAP ECC system. This version is not available. This version is dead. Nowadays, we want to install SAP ECC system. Only these three versions only is available for installing SAP ECC system. SAP ERP Enhanced Package 678. These three versions only is available for installing SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system and it is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ERP Enhanced Package is not supported for installing Java system. So SAP ERP Enhanced software is enterprise management software. That's why it is possible to install IDEA system and non-IDEA system. Only enterprise management software only is supported for installing IDEAs and non-IDEAs. Only enterprise management software only is available IDEA software. That is very, very important. So only enterprise management software only available IDS software. SAP ERP enhance package and SAP S/4HANA product. This two only. These two only enterprise management software. SAP ERP enhanced package and SAP S/4HANA product. These two only enterprise management software. That means SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP enhanced package only available IDS software. Remaining SAP software is not available IDS software. Okay, so in company they use compulsory SAP ERP enhanced package IDS software, SAP S/4HANA IDS software. Compulsory they use in the company. Here EHP8 IDS with EHP7 IDS also is available. EHP7 IDS also is there. Like every version, IDS software is available. Like every version, IDS and non-IDS software is available. EHP7 IDS is there. We see EHP6 is there or not. We see EHP6. EHP6 is not there. So IDS software is available for only EHP7 and EHP8 only. These two only. Here NetWeaver 7.5. Here we see EHP7. Okay. The two only we have IDS software. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 and SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 IDS software is possible to install. Like SAP S/4HANA also. In company server, these two softwares only, these two product versions only supported for installing IDS system. Remaining products is not supported for installing IDS. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is there. And 2023 also is there. 2023 also. 2022 also is there. I already used, but they deleted, I think. Here they deleted. 2021 also is there. I already used. They deleted. Okay. So only these two product versions only, SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP enhanced package. These two products only is supported for installing IDS software and non-IDS software. So remaining SAP software is not supported for installing IDS software. Why means these two softwares only enterprise management software. Main, these two softwares only enterprise management, SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA. These two only enterprise management software. Which software is enterprise management? That software is supported for installing IDS and that software is supported for installing non-IDS also. So it's clear. I clearly explain about SAP ERP. What are the versions they release? SAP ERP enhanced package versions they release. What are the versions is there? What are the versions is available? by using SAP ERP enhanced package, which system is possible to install, and it is ABAP system or Java system. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system, and it is supported for installing IDES and non-IDES. What are the SAP release versions? SAP release. So for practicing how much hard disk, how much RAM is available. So Unicode kernel is supported, non-Unicode kernel is supported. What are the kernels is supported? I show clearly. But a company always recommended we want to use Unicode kernel only. We don't use non-Unicode kernel only. So this is the total information. So this is the basic. Who are learning SAP basis course starting, compulsory they want to know the SAP ERP enhanced package software. That's why this is the minimum knowledge we want to know before starting SAP basis, before entering into the remaining course. So this is the first class we want to learn about the softwares. What are the softwares we are using? About that softwares, clear information we want to know. This is the basic knowledge of the SAP basis course. About SAP ERP enhanced package software is completed.